Hey guys, I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can take a screenshot with your Galaxy S10, S10e, S10 Max, all the Galaxy S10s. Actually, a few of the newer Galaxies work this way as well. By far, the easiest way to take a screenshot with any of these phones is the volume up and the power button at the same time. So you'll press and hold those at the same time, and you'll get a screenshot. Now you get a few different options down here at the bottom as well. Scroll capture, it goes away pretty quick. I'm going to show it again. Scroll capture, crop, and edit. Scroll capture is pretty cool. If you need to scroll to capture more of a photo, you can hit that scroll capture button, hit it again, and it'll scroll and capture a lot more of that photo. I'm gonna hit the crop button here. You'll see how big that photo is. You can crop it, maybe take 2 pages worth. It's really good if you're taking a screenshot of a message thread of, you know, somebody saying something bad about somebody else. You want to send it to someone, you can send it all as one picture instead of having to save it as a bunch. You can also hit that share button if you like. Whenever you're done taking a photo, you'll see here under the notification bar, screenshot is saved there, and you can again share, edit, or delete it, or just get rid of the notification. Another way to take a screenshot is to, actually by far one of the coolest ways to take a screenshot, I'll show you here. If you go to the settings menu, and then make sure you go to the display, and then scroll down to where it says edge screen. We're gonna turn on edge screen so that the edge panels are turned on. So edge panels are on, make sure that's turned on, click in there, and then make sure Smart Select is selected. You may have to do an update when you go there for edge screen. Go ahead and do that update, select that, and you'll have now the ability to slide out that edge panel. And if it doesn't go the first time, swipe it a few times to go to Smart Select, and now you can go to rectangle or oval and take a screenshot that way. What's cool on that too is if you want to just select some text within that photo, I'm gonna hit done. You'll see that's the screenshot that it's got, but it also gives me the option right there. It says extract text. If I hit extract text, down at the bottom you'll see it's got the text there, and I can copy that and send it, paste it in a message or something along those lines. The last way, I really don't like shooting screenshots this way. There's 2 more ways. One, you got the palm swipe where you take your palm and you run it across. See, it worked the second time there, and it takes a screenshot. You kind of have to kind of master that in order to get it right, but sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. I don't necessarily recommend it. Last but not least, you can use Bixby or Google Voice to use your voice to take a screenshot. So let's say you're on that same screen and you want to take a screenshot, you don't want to use your hands. Hey Google, take a screenshot. Oh, guess it heard me the first time.
Okay, taking a screenshot.
Taking a screenshot.
Continue.
Booyah. So there you go. Those are a few ways to take a screenshot with the new Galaxy S10. If you have any questions at all, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.